Hey, so guys, what's up? Let me show you a very simple way, or rather simple strategy that I use in flipping small account on my synthetic, my deriv. So currently I'm in this trade. So I funded $5. So I saw this setup and I decided to fund $5 just to flip it. So as luck or by the grace of God, I'm up already. 3 point something dollar. You understand? So let me show you what I saw. So I've done something like this before last week with volatility 25 index. So this is it. Let me just show you this pattern that I saw on volatility 25 that made me traded last week. I funded $5 and I flipped it to $80 in the space of, let's say, about 7 hours. So I entered the trade, I think 10 in the evening. So the next morning, and so there about the next morning, before the next morning, my traders is take profit. So this is it, guys. It's very simple. You don't have to complicate your chart to get a better result. Okay, you just need confidence, and when you see that the market has given you confirmation, sorry, just enter. Have that, confidence to enter. Don't be scared. Okay, so this is it. I just saw this flag pattern that this market is creating here. This flag pattern, so basically what I did was, come to the chart, and I was seeing same thing here, just seeing the way the market was moving. So when I saw this, I knew that in no time this market will be due for a breakout and massive push to the upside. So I just drew my trend line, my counter trend line. Okay, so immediately I drew my counter trend line. I was waiting for price to break through it and, maybe do a retest. So although before then I entered late, I saw something like a breakout before the actual breakout. Before the actual breakout, I saw something like a breakout on a 15 minutes. So, and the trade ended up in stop loss. You understand? It ended up in stop loss because I funded about $10 there about. So before I could flip it, I had lost about 50%. So I decided to wait. So immediately I saw this push to the downside and an aggressive bullish candle. I just know that this was a fake out. Yeah, it was a fake out. Liquidity grab, as many people will call it. So I just waited for this market to. I just knew that from this point, this bullish move has started. So I just waited closely for this break and retest, which is this red candle. So I came on in 15 minutes. So these are basically analyzed. You don't have to complicate things. You don't. If it's not there, it's not there. Just move to the next pair. Okay, so this is it. This was the break. Look at the break. Look at the break. This is where I was telling you that I lost about 50% of my account at this point. So immediately, so look at it. So although it's not like I knew that for some reason the market would stop me, but I was just looking for a way to get in at a very cheap price. You understand? So I entered at this point here. So I was just assuming that was sentimental, not actually based on my strategy. I entered based on sentimental. You get? So I was trying to this is what will happen. You understand? So I was just trying to predict. So immediately I took that loss. I decided to wait for my confirmation. So I entered right after the bounce. Right after the bounce like this. Right after the bounce. Sorry guys, I'm using my phone. I promise maybe the next time I will be using my laptop. So my laptop is off now. So right after the bounce, somewhere around there is where I entered basically. So I entered the first position. Immediately I saw this sharp move to this upside, and the market came back again. I entered. So I was very aggressive on this. Let me not lie to you. So my take profit was here. I intentionally put my take profit here. I knew the market was going to break through, but I've seen some cases where the market will just get to this point and reverse. So I decided to put my take profit here. So this is it. So some people will say I didn't. What I did was I was not looking to catch that much pips. I was just looking for a clear move to enter very aggressive. So I was loading position. You see all this move you see, I was stacking position. So immediately the market just went to my take profit. I wake up the next morning to check the trade, and I saw that the market has hit my take profit. And that's it. I was very happy. So I'm trying to do same thing on volatility 75 now. So as you can see, this is it. So let me tell you what I saw that made me enter this trade. So first of all, I've been observing this market for long. Look at this pattern here. If you look closely, this same pattern has repeated itself in the past and here also. And if you look, there's this similar pattern that this market use to move in. Look at it. So I just saw this pattern, and when I saw this one, I just knew that this market is due for a drop. Some people might be buying because of this sharp move to the upside, this bullish move, but this bullish move was a confirmation for me that this market is ready to drop. So I just needed to plot my level. So I just needed to plot my level here. You understand? So look at it, guys. Let's go on the 4 hour. Let's go on the 4 hour. So I came on the 4 hour, and I saw that if you look closely, you see that this level here has held this market for a long time. So I just knew that if we can come here and maybe do a little bit of, if this sharp break through this level, like without playing around it and hesitating, that means this market will drop. That was my how would I put it? That was my outlook. That was what I was looking for. So, and we came here. We came here right like this. We came here. Once again, sorry I'm using phone. It's kind of stressful. So we came here and played around it, and if you look close, you will see this double top right here. Let me show you guys. Sorry for this. It's very, very, very stressful, but it is what it is. So if you look closely, you will see double top here. Double top, you understand? So I just saw that this market has breaking this is a double top, and let me show you something. This is the neckline, guys. This is how you just look at the market and you analyze. Look at it. If we go on 15 minutes now, you see it very clear. So this is the neckline. This is a break retest. You get. I was supposed to enter. Let me go on in 15 minutes so I show you get what I'm saying. So look closely, you see it. This is kind of a double top, and the market fell. So we're pushing to the upside. Look at it. This market came here. Look at this push from here to here, and it retraced here again to here, and it retraced, and this market failed to create another all-time higher high. Instead, we came and break through this level, which is the neckline for me. We came and break through it. We break through it like this to the downside. So this is like a break of structure for me. So what I did was I just drew my counter trend line. Look at it. I just drew my counter trend line like this, like so, and waited for a retest, a break and a retest. So I just set my pending order. This was a pending order that was triggered. You can see the market just triggered my order right at that point. So I'm not saying you can't be wrong in this market, or you can't be wrong with this strategy. I'm just showing you that if you can learn this stuff properly and apply discipline and risk management, you are good to go in this forex market. Trust me. So with time, I'm going to be uploading educational content whereby I will be showing you guys how to, like, how I analyze. Basically, I'm not saying I'm the best analyst, but how I analyze and get results. So what I'm doing now is I don't have that enough capital to trade. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to flip this account now, you get, so that I can get a profit. I'll be documenting it. So I'll be showing you what I'll be doing in this trade. So if this trade go and hit my stop loss, let me just set stop loss. Although I did not set stop loss because I'm willing to risk everything, but for this video's sake, let me just set stop loss. So we're having $5, so let me just set stop loss. Look at it. So I'm willing to risk everything. So for the sake of this video, let me just set stop loss. So what I'll be doing on this trade is this. This is where we are now. If we break through this level to the downside and give us, and maybe the market just push down and retest, I will enter again with another 2 position. You get. Once we come here again, come here, once we break this level again and do a retest, I will enter 2 position, and I will be moving my stop loss, locking in profit. You understand? But for now, I'm willing to lose everything. But once I start getting significant profit, I will start locking in profit. So I'll be updating you guys how it goes. So this is going to be a very long-term trade, because if you look at, although this is synthetic, the market trades 24/7. So it might take about a week or a week plus. So it's going to be a swing trade. I'll be updating you guys. Okay, so hopefully this trade hits, take profit, we get a prop firm. I will document it also. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching to the end. Hope you learned something. So just anything you feel like is not included in this video, or anything, or any question you have, put it on the comment section. Okay, so once again, thank you for watching to the end. So peace out.